how to fix application hang detected error in Fortnite. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. You want to open up your Epic Games launcher first. Now once you have Epic Games loaded, you will go into your library. Here you want to find Fortnite, click on the three dots, then select manage, and the first thing that you want to do is verify the integrity of the files. Click on verify, wait for it to finish, and then see if that fixes the issue for you. If it still doesn't, the second method that I'm going to show you here, you want to right click on your desktop, go into display settings. Here what we want to do is go into graphics. Now if you see Fortnite here from this list, you just want to click on it. If you don't, you will select add desktop app, go into your drive, C drive, program files, Epic Games, Fortnite, Fortnite game, binaries, Windows 64, and here what you want to do is click on Fortnite launcher and add it. Now you will find the Fortnite launcher, click on the down arrow, and GPU preference, you want to click on this button and choose high performance. Now once you have done this, see if that fixes it for you. If it still doesn't fix it for you, what we're gonna do, the third method, we will just open up our computer search and search for Windows Update Settings. Here, click on the Windows Update Settings, check for updates, and see if you have the most current version of your Windows. If you don't, you just wanna update to the current version of Windows. Now that was the third fix. The fourth fix that I'm gonna show you here. Okay, so the next fix that I'm going to show you, the second to last fix, you want to open up the Epic Games launcher again. Here, once you have it open, click on your name in the top right. Then you want to go into settings. From here, scroll all the way down until you see Fortnite. Click on Fortnite and then check this option, additional command line arguments. And you want to type this, -D3 D11. What this is going to do, it's going to use DirectX 11 instead of DirectX 12. Click on the settings button here so it saves and see if that fixes it for you. If it still doesn't work, the last thing that I can suggest doing, if you have connected an external controller to your PC, you want to unplug your controller, click on the power button here, restart your PC, and see if that fixes the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.